In fact, both ICMR and here CDC and NIH have been collaborating for a number of years. And in fact, about 2 or 3 years back, we together developed a vaccine for another virus. It's called rotavirus. It has helped not only in India, in United States, many other countries. So this time around too, there is close cooperation, exchange of information, plus, as I said, collaboration. There are at least 3 vaccines on which Indian companies and the United States companies are working together. Besides that, we are an important part of the supply chain. And this particular crisis has certainly shown to United States, if not the world over, that India is a reliable partner. Whatever assistance they required in terms of the supply chain, India has been able to fulfill that. And this has been acknowledged by the highest level in the US government, but also at the people level.
We talk about the supply chain, talking a little differently about it. Post-COVID-19, there has been a shift of supply chain from China to other players in the region, be it India, be it Vietnam. What are you picking up from the United States? Are companies looking at India, and do you think this is a big opportunity for India now?
Look, one, that this is a huge challenge world over. Economically, besides health, economically too, all. But in challenges also come out opportunities. As I mentioned to you, that this particular challenge for United States and India, the way that we have stood together, and as you have mentioned in supply chain and especially in the economic aspects and in the health science, definitely have provided an opportunity for both the Indian companies and the US companies to look forward to developing a stronger bond. Now, irrespective of China, India is an attractive destination. And certainly all the studies in post-COVID time, of course it's a little early, but yet in the post-COVID time, India is going to be a significant part of the recovery process. And I think the American investors are smart, the American companies are smart, and they are moving to connect. And already at the company level it's being done, but you are also reading and watching that at the government of India level too, at the highest level, the Prime Minister has taken the initiative and India is laying out the carpet. We have earlier also had FDI investments. I'm sure in this new scenario too, there'll be a stronger bond between our two countries.